Hello horse lovers, my name is Sal Landa and I'd like to welcome you to Total Horse Media, where our mission is to save you time, energy, and pain when training your horses and maintaining your farm.
I spent a lot of money on fencing, and today we're going to discuss wood versus wire. Here we have some recently installed wood fence. It can be very attractive. Wood fences tend to warp or crack, and that's why you need to constantly be painting them and repairing them. It can get expensive. These 4x4 posts are about $12 a piece.
Hey, make sure you stay till the end because I got a very special tip for you. Each post requires one 60-pound bag of concrete. The corner posts require 2 bags of concrete.
I attached that auger to that tractor to drill the holes for the posts. Older fence requires to be painted every 2 years. The cost of painting these fences is like $250 a linear foot.
If you feel you're getting value out of this video and you want to hear and see more of it, hit subscribe.
We have a recently installed fence. The T-posts are 10 feet apart. And the posts, the regular posts, the wood posts, are 50 feet apart. Over here at this end, we have an H bracket to strengthen the end so that when you pull, it doesn't pull the post over. Ratchets like these have their own insulation. You can also get regular ratchets with insulation here. These 3 wires are hot. They've got electricity. And these ratchets tighten the wires to keep them nice and snug. These old posts used to have wood fence. I replaced it with wire fencing because it's much more cost effective. Now here's the deal. My wife likes 4-board fences because it's pretty. I don't like it because it costs too much to install it, and it costs too much to maintain it, and it's too much work to maintain it. So I like the wire fencing better because it's much more cost effective, no maintenance, and it's a lot easier to install. But guess what? My wife won. The whole front of whatever faces the front of the farm is going to be 4-board fencing. And the rest of it, she's going to let me do wire. Here's the special tip I've been promising you. Never, ever, ever use barbed wire for horses. Their skin is not as strong as a cow's, and they will rip them apart. Never, please, never use barbed wire for your horses.